This is the easiest fried rice you'll ever make. And yep, we're doing the whole thing in the air fryer. Start by grabbing a can of Spam and cutting it into small cubes. Now, dice half an onion and mince a couple cloves of garlic. Add your Spam and onion and half a tablespoon of oil to an air fryer safe pan and air fry at 390 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Give it a mix halfway through and add your garlic. Now, when that's done, add your frozen veggies and give it another 4 to 5 minutes. While that finishes, take about 4 cups of cooked and cold rice and break it up in a bowl. Now mix your sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix that in with your rice and dump in your Spam and veggies, including all the juices, and mix it all together. Now back into the air fryer at 390 for 8 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in 2 mixed eggs and give it a good stir. Back in the air fryer for the last few minutes until lightly crispy. And look at that. Incredibly easy, no mess, and absolutely delicious. Love easy air fryer wins? Hit that like and subscribe button and check back later this week.